Hello friends, welcome to this video. So this video is about dual period status in Oracle Cloud. So here in this session we'll discuss how to get the period status from Oracle tables, that is from the backend. So here I have a sample data of like if you can see I have a few columns mentioned here. So our particular aim is to get the status of the a period, whether it is open or it is closed, and based on the application. Okay, so if you can see I have the general ledger application here, and it's the corresponding ID of the general ledger application, that is 101. Then we have some ledger applications as well, like you can see payables, we have receivables, we have some other application like project foundation, revenue management, etc. So if you can see the first column is the period name, whether it is if you know like it's a March 21 period, whose status we want to know. It's a set of book ID, which is the ledger ID, I would say, which is common to the ledger. Then it's the closing status, what is the status of that particular period, whether it is open or closed. Then we have the specific application ID and the corresponding application name. Then we have the GL set. So corresponding to the set of book ID, we fetch the GL ledger name. And here we have the last updated and last updated by. So here I have a sample query to fetch the GL paid status. So if you can see, I have used the main table, that is GL paid statuses table. So from where I am able to get the period day, which was the first column here in the previous slide, then the set of books ID. Then we first try to fetch the closing status. So here we have a couple of closing status. If you can see, O is for open, C status is for closed. That's why I have used a decode function here, because from backend you will be only able to get the status, you won't be able to get the complete name of this status. Then we have N, which will symbolize never opened. F means it can be that period can be opened for future entry. Then we have something like P, which is a little not much common, but it means permanently closed. So normally we do not permanently close, but yeah, this is sometimes you can see this status as well. Then we have again a rare status, that is W, that is close waiting, or you can see it as close pending status. Next, I have tried to fetch the application ID and the corresponding application name, which I showed you in a previous slide. That's like application and a subledger applications ID and the name I have fetched. So here in this period status table, we just have application ID. That's why we joined it with the main base table, that is FND application TL, to fetch the corresponding application name. Again, we have the set of book ID in the GL period status, but in order to fetch the ledger name, I have used the GL sets of books table to get GL name. Thanks for watching.